To join audio tracks together in Audacity, start by making sure you have your audio clips in the timeline. You can rearrange them by dragging them to an upper or lower track as needed. To combine them into one continuous track, simply drag all of your audio clips so that each one starts immediately after the previous one. Once they are placed correctly, click on the small cross in the left corner of the extra tracks to remove them. Now that all your clips are in one track, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the audio clips. Then, right-click and select Join Clips. This will merge all your audio tracks into one single clip. If you want your clips to overlap and still be merged into one track, press Ctrl+A to select all clips, then go to the top menu bar, click on Tracks, then Mix, and finally select Mix and Render. Audacity will combine all your audio clips into one track, overlapping them based on their placement. That is how you join tracks together in Audacity.